Good morning, my brothers and sisters. I am back again. My sisters, I was just coming in. Look at. Negodi. Do you know what I'm calling my mailbox now? Miracle box. Look at. That is the new name I gave it. Miracle box. Anyway, without wasting your time, I am going to quickly introduce myself. My name is Rosemary. I am a nurse, I am a mother and a wife. I live in United States, in New York precisely. The reason why I am doing this video is because the last video I did it in Igbo. Calling all Igbo brothers and sisters, wherever you are in the diaspora, to come and cut your share of the national cake. Some people that are not Igbos messaged me and was asking what the video was all about. So today I am making this video in English so that everybody will understand what the scoop is. Why am I here today? I am trying to tell you that there is a way around this hardship, this student loan, these 3-4 jobs, not seeing your children from morning till night. You are coming in, your husband is going out. You are going out, your husband is coming in. You came to abroad to find greener pasture, but now you hardly be at home. You are always here and there, chasing one thing or the other. At the end of the day, it is not enough. You can hardly help people you want to help. You can hardly go on that vacation that you want to go to because ihe chere the money can come. You know, lots of responsibilities. But I am here to tell you today that there is a way around all these things. Digital business. This is my 4th month in this business. It has been amazing. Despite making 6 figures, my sister, my brother, it is not enough. By the time you do this and do that, by the time you pay your mortgage, pay your bills, insurance, family members at home, you are even left with nothing. You are not even talking about investing or talking about how you are going to retire early. But the deal is this: early retirement. You do not have to kill yourself. This is the money I will make after working for over a month, maybe grossing about 200 hours before I'll see what I have in this check, what I saw this morning, without lifting a finger. What am I talking about? Come closer. Sit down. Do not skip this video, because if you are skipping this video, you might be missing something that you never knew that existed. The digital world has opened a brand new window. Opportunities are sitting there. It is up for grab. And you know, anybody can do this thing. You do not need to be a tech savvy. You do not need to be tech savvy. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to follow the directions of your coach and your mentor, and you are in. What am I talking about? Digital business. You don't have to handle any inventory. You do not have to do any supply. You don't need a warehouse. All you need is a phone or a laptop and internet connection. Once you have these things, you can operate from anywhere. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Your location is not important. What matters most is that you have a phone and you have a laptop. And if you tap into this thing, you are going to be guided. You have a mentor, you have a coach that will walk you through all the steps. Okay? So, anywhere you get stuck, you have somebody there at your beck and call to walk you through everything. This is a multi-million business. People have been tapping into it. Chinese people, Filipinos, Australians. What are our people in US doing? What are our people in Europe doing? We are working, working morning, afternoon, night, 16 hours, 18 hours, 12 hours. Ilota, you are half dead. This is the end thing. This is the key to freedom. People are building houses, building hotels. Our team is top notch. Buying houses, buying their freedom. And the thing about this business is that it is legit. You can file your taxes with it and get your return because you are running a business. And this business is something you will run it even in your sleep. The business is running. All you need is just follow the rules. There is nothing to wait for. Click on the Learn More button so that I can grab you by your hand and show you how this thing is done. Do not skip. Put your name and your email address. All you have to pay is $149 and you are in. You will watch our videos, our introductory videos, and get the full scoop of what is going on. And I'm available for questions and explanations. And by the time you are in this business, 2-3 months, you'll be singing a different song. Your story will change for good. You know, our people say na nara no febe kirimon. Na mbuari ki eje rembe. So if you stay one place and you do not take action, sorry. Action takers are change makers. So come with me so that you'll be receiving this kind of miracle in your mailbox. Okay? I will see you people there. Share this video, sign up, and you will not regret it. Thank you.